Welcome to City Snippet. Today we visit Grand Central Terminal. My favorite direction of approach to Grand Central is to come from the south to get this view. Keep in mind that during the pandemic, this is a lot less crowded as far as the sidewalk and even the streets. On a normal day, there would be a ton of people crossing the street right now. If you visit Grand Central, make sure to look up at all the interesting chandeliers and light fixtures. And actually, there are so many interesting details to look at. I'll cover some more light fixtures later. Another favorite thing of mine at Grand Central is the ceiling in the main waiting area. It just takes a few moments to look up and appreciate all of the interesting astrological symbols and the beauty of the ceiling. The information booth in the center with its iconic clock is a common meeting place for people. Is this an elegant waiting room or what? With all its marble and limestone and carvings? And actually, there are some interesting details and little acorns carved into things. Normally, this downstairs food court area, which also has tracks for trains, it's normally quite bustling with people getting snacks and food to hang out and I guess get some shoe shines too while they're waiting, but during the pandemic, it's really quiet. Of course, when I visited the food court this Saturday morning, most of the food places were closed, so no reason to go down there, I guess. And here's the quick light fixture interlude I promised. But let's head back up the stairs and go back to the main waiting room to see some other sights and other angles. When I first moved to New York City, the Amtrak trains, or at least the ones that I took, ran out of Grand Central, and I didn't like to fly. I preferred to take trains. Even to this day, I like trains, so I took trains out of Grand Central a lot. Normally, this waiting area is so filled with people, tourists and travelers and commuters, that it looks like ants scurrying about. But I kind of like the quiet, or the sort of quiet. There are so many elegant arches and these globe lights that I really enjoy just walking around Grand Central sometimes. I have to admit, I've never eaten at the Oyster Bar. I've never even visited it before. And they're closed right now, so oh well. And check out the cool herringbone ceilings in some of the areas. I love these sneaky peeks of the main waiting room ceiling. The warm golden yellow tones around Grand Central contrast nicely with the ceiling. Outside again, you can see the Chrysler Building off to the east. A line of taxis outside wait to take travelers elsewhere, but I'll be hoofing it. See you later, Grand Central.